Hi, I'm Ellen Egan. Welcome to Egan Gardens. We do flowers. We do all sorts of blooming plants, perennial and annual. We do lots of hanging baskets and mixed planters. We do planters for all seasons, including fall and winter. For the fall, people should be thinking about keeping the yard looking pretty and colorful throughout the year. It is possible with the use of pansies, beautiful heucheras for foliage color, other perennial foliage. You can have color all year round. The benefits that I like most are having a lot of your spring work done ahead. You can divide perennials, add new shrubs, put in new lawns. Take a whole load of work off your springtime when you want to get out and be putting in fresh new things, and there's always too much to do and not enough time to do it. For Garden Palooza, we'll be having 2 demonstrations set up all the time for people to walk through anytime they come. One on building a green roof and another on creating fall planters and hanging baskets. Maya will be teaching, from her vast experience with deer problems, a class on thwarting Bambi deer-proof plants. I have here one of the best ones, Aconitum deadly belladonna, right beside me. There are things that the deer won't eat. We'll also be doing a class on arranging flowers from your garden and one on preserving the bounty from your home garden. For Garden Palooza, we will be having some specials. Be sure to check our website for the details. Well, we do our best here to see what our customers really need and come up with what's going to work for them. Everybody's yard is a little different. Everybody's taste is a little different. We welcome you to stop by during Garden Palooza the tour, visit Egan Gardens, and enjoy all the flowers.